Good evening and welcome to the BBC's News at 6. Scotland might become the first country in Europe to have a legally enforced minimum price for alcohol. Ministers have decided to take this drastic action after seeing the figures for drink-related diseases and its cost in Scotland. The number of people admitted to Scottish hospitals for alcohol abuse has reached record proportions, more than 42,000 in a year. The government is blaming cut-price deals that mean people can get drunk for little more than a child's pocket money. Our health correspondent Branwen Jeffries reports.
Alcohol-fuelled violence on the streets of Scotland, part of a drinking culture that worries the police and health campaigners.
What else made Rory a bit sad?
Rory the dog has an owner who drinks. Children as young as 9 in this West Lothian school are learning about alcohol. The charity Alcohol Focus is working with schools to help this generation.
The children are more and more aware at a younger age that there's a problem with alcohol. They mention it often in just their day-to-day communications about different things.
Scotland is paying the price for years of heavy drinking in its population. Last year, there were more than 42,000 hospital cases involving alcohol, 20% higher than just 5 years before. And look at the rising death toll. In 1990, 675 deaths were caused by alcohol. By 2000, that had almost doubled. And last year, there were 1,500 deaths.
Well, as you can see, I have still got the shakes.
Ben McPhillamy used to drink 14 bottles of wine a day. For the sake of his children, he's got help to cut back.
Before I would get out of my bed, I'd have to have at least 3-4 bottles of wine in me before I'd actually move to do anything. And heartbreaking because my wee daughter, who's a year old, actually came up and cuddled me and kissed me in the cheek, and I broke down. It was quite emotional.
Just under £10 has bought me 7 litres of cider, and this stuff is 7.5% alcohol. These 7 bottles contain more than twice the healthy drinking level for a man for a week.
I dare say you're very...
Scottish ministers visited Glasgow Royal Infirmary today. As a minority government, it will be tough to get these measures passed. They argue banning discounts and imposing a minimum price are the answer.
We're very clear that that will be directed at high-strength, low-price products that can be bought right now at pocket money prices. And I think it's very important part of a package of radical measures.